Student's Book, page 100. 2. Listen to a radio show to check your ideas.
Why don't polar bears eat penguins? Let's look at the difference between the Arctic and the Antarctic. The first thing you need to know is that the Arctic is in the north, which is why it's also called the North Pole, and the Antarctic is in the south, which is why it's called the South Pole. That's the easy part. So how are these two places similar, and how are they different? Well, they both have snow, ice, and icebergs, and they are both very cold. But there are some important differences. Maybe the most important difference is that the Antarctic, or Antarctica, as we also say, is a continent. The Arctic, however, is an ocean with parts of other countries in it. For example, Canada, Sweden, and Denmark. There are people living in the Arctic, but the only people living in the Antarctic are scientists doing research. There are also similarities and differences between the plant and animal life that you can find in both places. You won't find trees in the Antarctic because they only grow in the Arctic. But many animals are found in both. Whales, seals, and birds, for example. However, there are some animals that only make their home in one of them. Perhaps the two best known are the polar bear, which lives in the Arctic, and the penguin, which is only found in the Antarctic. And that's why polar bears don't eat penguins.